Alright, so this is my first time to step on my future house. There you go. Good morning, it's 9th of May, week 2 of the batch building project. As you can see, we have completed the slab. This house is a 250 square meters with 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 2 garage, 1 home theater or office, and 2 kitchens. So we have a dirty kitchen and the main kitchen. It's freezing, it's like 7 in the morning. Anyway, so slab is one of the most important thing when it comes to building a house. You want to make sure that you have a sturdy and thick slab because you don't want that to be worn out in the next few years. We purposely put the living room, dining room, and alfresco on that side of my house so we can have a lot of natural light coming in. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any question, feel free to, not just to this one, feel free to message me or comment down below. I'm more than happy to provide some answer or suggestion. Unfortunately, we have to wait for like 2 to 3 weeks in order for the slab to dry it out. And we're going to start the brickwork. See, brickworks, we can see the foundation of the house, where's the location of the theater room, the bedroom, and the kitchen. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, stay safe. Bye. Good morning, sir. We are here in my future house. I'm gonna call this one the batch building project. So I'm gonna do a weekly update for the next few weeks or several weeks. As you can see, there's nothing there, but they already removed the grass, the trees and everything, and they've already done the earthworks. So yeah, stay tuned. I can see some construction materials over there. So I'm expecting next week, week 2, they're gonna put the slab, or maybe week 3. So yeah, stay tuned.